This is our official third full day here in China. And our activity for for today is magcha-Tianmen Mountain tayo. Kaso lang medyo maulan guys. So we need to buy an umbrella. Yes. You know what guys, the things or food here in China are very cheap guys. Itong payong na ito, it only costs 10 Chinese yuan or RMB. That is around roughly 70 pesos lang siya guys, no? For an umbrella. No, well, this is disposable right after you used it. Ayan. So, dito na yung bus natin. It's a VIP bus. Kanina pa tayo naghihintay. Let's hop on the bus. So, going to the Tianmen Mountain, I think parang mga nasa 30 to 40 minutes pa siya. Pabalik, actually, yung route natin guys is going back from the Lady Factual last night. Then, reaching the mountain is magka-cable car tayo. That is so far the longest cable car na siya guys. That is 30 minutes longer than the Fansipan cable car. So, according to our guide, instead of going first to the Tianmen Mountain today kasi masyadong maulan, tsaka maulap doon guys. So, visit muna tayo ng dalawang mandatory shops here sa ating tour. So, yung tour natin guys, sa tour packages, meron siyang tatlo or apat na mandatory shops na talagang dapat pupuntahan. So, after this is parang may isa pa yatang mandatory shop na pupuntahan bago tayo mag-proceed ng Tianmen Mountain. It's up to you guys kung bibili ka or hindi. Pwede ka namang hindi bumili. Pero meron silang guys, parang I think required time na dapat na-spend mo dito sa shop nila para may required time siya. Pero if you opted not to visit some of the mandatory shops, guys, parang may surcharge yata sila. Yes. Tapos na din yung ating activity here sa herb shop. I bought one. Bumili ako ng cream. This is 300 RMB yuan. So yung ginamit ko pala guys na mode of payment to all of my purchases here sa China is using the Alipay app. So yung Alipay app, nilink ko yung aking credit card doon. So if my purchases ka na below 1,000 pesos, wala siyang charge. Pero if my purchase ka na beyond 1,000, nag-charge siya ng 9 RMB. So that is around 60 to 60 pesos. Still, foggy pa rin guys yung ating foggy pa rin yung area. Pero wala na masyadong ulan. Medyo lang, ambon-ambon. Next stop namin guys is a museum. It's a art museum. This is an art museum guys. Katabi lang siya nung ating pinuntahan una na herb shop. So, pabubudol na naman ba tayo dito? Ayan, so nag-orientation na naman guys. So, ito. Ayan, so tapos na kami sa museum guys. Nood-nood lang ng mga dito, ng mga painting. So right after here is mag-early lunch kami kasi we need to catch the cable car later at mga 12 to 12:30. Kasi pag alauna na, mas marami na daw tao. The restaurant is also nearby from the museum. Lakad lang din siya guys. Dito lang ating lunch area, restaurant. So, the same setup from the entirety of our lunch. Parang family style of the meal. We are done with our lunch already, so we'll now proceed to the Tianmen Mountain. Pagin yan. So, na-imagine ko na naman ng zero visibility sa cable car, just like in Fansipan, Vietnam. Guys, dito na tayo sa cable car area ng papuntang Tianmen. So, yung cable car nila guys is located at the center of Songjiaje. So, iba yung cable car nila no, is on the city center talaga siya. This is by far the longest cable car in the world. Despite the weather, ang dami pa rin tao guys. Kasi it's a must kasi yung Shanmin Mountain. This is really what I like in the China guys. Kasi yung ticket niya is nakalink na siya sa passport. So, pag mag-scan, yung passport na lang. So, nasa passport na lahat ng mga tickets na niya. So, when you arrive here, i-scan na lang yung passport, then good to go ka na. Di ba, Christy? Oo, di ba? Akato ang mga bagong salta, nabunyagan, jud gabi. Merisi. Per cable car, guys, is 8 packs lang per cable car. Unlike sa Pansipan that we had na cash hanggang 20. So, 8 packs lang per cable car. Malita niya cable car. 8 packs lang. Ete! Yan, sasakay na tayo, beshi, ng cable car! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Gusti. Bish. Ay! Ay! Oh my God! My God, Pansipan! Lalo ka tuya-tuya ni. Ay, oh. Ito na yung isang tapuan mo. Ano, pasaka na ta.
Nasi mo.
Ang gani, ano to na oh. Oh my God, guys, grabe. 30 minutes seems to be the longest. Yan guys, after natin nagpunta doon sa cable car, is meron pang konting lalakarin na trail papunta doon sa parang butas talaga ng Shanmin Mountain. Disclaimer guys, yung cable car is not a friendly ride kasi the car ride will take you 28 minutes and then it's very steep guys. Ang taas ng route niya papunta dito sa mountain. There are the gangs. May lalakarin na ganitong trail. Medyo malamig dito sa ano guys, sa Shanmin. Tapos nagpa-fog pa kasi siya kasi it depends to the weather. We are on our way to the glass bridge. Parang glass panel siya na lalakarin guys. Gosh, it's kinda cold. And chilly. So if you want to go here, you might as well think of bringing some sweater or jacket. And this is the glass. Ma'am? Sleepy ni Jod? Adili, malaki na mas akong sapatos. Ha? Ano naman? The walking continues. Hanggang saan ba ito papunta? Ayan guys, so we are now heading to the escalator. So meron tayong escalator going down to the hole of the Shanmin Mountain. Okay, we are now going down to the Shanmin hole. We are now taking the escalator down to the Shanmin hole. Mom, say hi! Meron pang pangalawang escalator guys, pababa. Kasi masyado tong steep. Guys, meron pang pangatlong escalator. Oh my God, and this is the steepest one. Guys, may pang-apat pa na escalator. Diyos ko. Look at that, may pang-apat pa. A total of 7 escalators down to the Shanmin hole. So probably 7 escalators then paakyat. So ganun siya ka-steep guys, kahaba sa Shanmin hole. So if, just ko lang. Pero may option guys, lakarin mo siya pero hindi ko kaya lakarin yun. Wow guys, ang ganda! Ang ganda ng view. Nakikita ko siya. So, on this side is, andito na yung 999 steps going downstairs para makita natin yung whole ng Chanmen Mountain. Ito na yung 999 steps, guys. You have the option to take this or may escalator naman. Alternatively, we can take the escalator, guys, down to the platform kung saan yung may maganda sanang view sa whole. Kaso lang foggy. Ayan, guys. So, tatlong escalator na ito pababa doon sa viewing deck. So, ilang escalators na baka tatahakin natin. Guys, parang after 5 escalators, we have reached wala talagang view. Sayang, walang view. Guys, yan na sana yung view. Ha? Pakita ko na lang sa inyo sa picture yung view ng ating Chanmen Mountain pag walang fog sa gilid. Yan. Ganyan sana yung view. Kaso lang, it's really foggy today. Wala, guys. Wala talaga nagpakita si Chanmen Hole. No, so it's the luck is not on us today. So right now we will now be heading back to the town proper. Sasakay na naman tayo ng cable car. Oh my God. Oh, Diyos ko Lord. Foggy pa rin. Para mas lumala pa yung fog ngayon. Ayan guys, yung cable car natin pabalik is only 5 minutes daw lang siyang ride. So, medyo matagal yung papunta natin paakyat. Pababa naman daw ng cable car is ano lang, short lang yung kanyang ride. Oh my gosh. Run! Run! Pistig, gubertik ka naman. Oh my God.
Eles tumakbo.
Kita na nakaabot dahil.
Sasabihin natin sa bata.
Ay! Yung! Ay!
Gusto ko yung ganon. Another one.
Oh my God, ma!
Okay,
Ay! Ay! Guys, magbaba nyo sa cable car. Ito po na makikita mo na agad yung theater ng Lady Fox show kagabi. After namin guys, after kanina sa binabaan natin sa shuttle bus is sa cable car. After doon sa binabaan natin sa cable car is nag-shuttle bus tayo going here sa parking area again. It's officially our last day here in Santiago, guys. Para nasa 35th na kami ng aming tour. Day 5. Pero in totality sa stay namin sa China, nasa 4th day pa kami. So currently ngayon is po na pa sa Zhangjiajie. At saka yung mga activity natin for today, guys, is magka-Grand Canyon tayo. And then, meron pa tayong isang optional tour na in-avail, which is the Baifeng Lake. No, so kasali yan siya ngayon today. And after that is, mamayang hapon, magta-travel na tayo papuntang Changsha, which is a 5-hour drive from here in Zhangjiajie. Guys, so since mag-transfer na kami sa another hotel, so naka-check out na kami. Diyan pala banda yung ano nila. Guys, unfortunately, ang lakas talaga ng ulan.
And your partner, your danger. Our optional tour, and then we're going to have lunch. After lunch, we are going to taste the local tea tasting, and then Glass Bridge.
So we are now here at the Luckin Coffee. Ano ba yung Luckin Coffee dito?
How many days na tayo nag-aantay na makainom ng
ano nga itong Luckin Coffee dito?
It's Starbucks level but
yeah.
China brand.
The Luckin Coffee here is para siyang Starbucks level
yes.
yung.
But much more cheaper.
Yeah. So,
it's cheaper.
It's way cheaper than Starbucks. We are now already on our second destination, guys. This is oh my gosh, that's so very noisy. This is the Baifeng Lake. So the Baifeng Lake is just an optional tour here in Zhangjiajie. And the optional tour cost me $60 US. Ayan. Ito yung area, guys. Dito daw ang lalaki, yo. So from here, sasakay na naman tayo ng shuttle going to the lake. Yan guys, sasakay na kami. Nasa tikip na kami ng parang Baifeng Lake River. Looks like a river cruise pala siya, guys. Yan yung mga boat, guys, na gagamitin. Tapos iikot siya doon. So just like, the concept is just like in the Lubbock River in Bohol. But of course, the view here is much way more different than in Bohol. Guys, Lubbock River watching, river cruise.
Guilin of Zhangjiajie. Have you been to Guilin? Guilin, yes, they have beautiful mountains and a river.
Matakong ko yan.
Why nila alam?
Come back and sing a song with him, ah?
No, I'm just kidding.
Kidding, ah.
No.
Tapos na yung ating river cruise, madam. The entirety of the total time sa river cruise is only 25 minutes. And then you will see some of the sandstones na mountain. Sabi ng aming guide, guys, yung Baifeng Lake pala siya, isa sa ibabaw pala siya ng Baifeng Mountain. So parang nasa crater lake, parang crater siya na lake at the top of the mountain. No? So very interesting talaga yung Zhangjiajie. And guys, so we went back to the jump up kanina. Lalakarin na natin yung waterfalls. Malapit na kasi siya. Ayun, yung falls, guys. This is the lake, guys. This is the falls. So, we are lucky kasi maulan kahapon. So, kaya mayroong may tubig din. Pero in summertime, guys, pag walang ulan, wala daw yung water. Yung map ng entirety ng Baifeng Lake. So, galing tayo dyan sa parking area. Tapos, lakad dito. Tapos doon yung pier. Tapos pinuntahan natin yan. Ganyan pala siya kalaki. Kahaba yung lake. Ayan. It's the Baifeng Lake. Then nag-tour sa Baifeng Lake is magla-lunch na tayo. Masa na
At saan na ito? Parat na dancing.
Sa natakaroon sa ating last destination, this is the Grand Canyoneering. So may canyoneering dito, guys. It's a Grand Canyon, masyadong maulan. Ayan. My God, guys, parang palakas na palakas yung ulan. So time to time, pag may mga attraction ng mandatory, is you have to bring the passport. Guys, interesting facts of China. Yung mga dispenser nila na ganito, guys. Hot water yan. They don't use cold water. Kaya siguro yung mga Chinese nang lesser na sa kanila yung mga fat per people. Yeah. So I got the water. So mainit siya, guys, para kung umiinom ng kape. Let's go downstairs for the ticket. Meron sila binibigay na cover ng guys, ng shoes. Kasi I think maulan daw siya, very slippery. Ayan. So medyo siya, guys, medyo rubberized siya. So para ma-prevent yung slipping, ay hindi tayo madulas. Nakasuot sa tayo ng something like rubber. And oh my gosh! Wow, this is the canyon! Wow! The canyoneering! Guys, so ito na yung Zhangjiajie na glass bridge. This is a Grand Canyon. So yung size na dito ng bridge is mga nasa 700 meters long. Kaya mayroong elevator doon pababa para magpunta ka doon somewhere sa may river. Then may nagzi-zipline doon, guys. So yung na-avail lang natin sa tour package is only the glass bridge. So we just walk there, tapos doon, pabalik tapos back to point na siya. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Pero if you have some time, guys, mas maganda yung mga activity dito. May zipline sila, tapos may parang ano pa, parang may river cruise. Look at the very beautiful scenery. Oh my gosh! Guys, may magbabungee jumping. Dito banda yung bungee jumping if you want an extreme activities here sa Grand Canyon. Pabalik na kami, guys. Gusto ko sana pumunta doon sa baba, kaso lang wala na kaming oras kasi short lang yung time namin dito sa Grand Canyon. That is one of the downside talaga no, pag nag-arrange tour tayo kasi limited lang yung time. Pero however, dito pa lang naman is maganda na naman yung view. Yung Grand Canyon, guys, is part of the mandatory tour sa agency. So let's take a closer look, no? Last look of the Grand Canyon. According to our guide pala, guys, yung elevator pala na sinasabi ko kanina pababa, another fee daw yun siya. So if you will be availing that, so elevator, round trip, plus the river cruise, and then the canopy walk sa Grand Canyon, is you have to pay again another $100 US. So that is more around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. So yung included sa ating tour is only the glass bridge dito sa Grand Canyon. Well, it's also still a nice experience na makapunta dito. Though the weather is really not good, pero kaya na. So we are now going back to the bus, and from this time is magta-travel lang kami papuntang Changsha. So that is a 5-hour road trip. Okay, guys, so after 5 hours from our last destination sa Grand Canyon, we had a stopover at Chengdu. Nag-dinner kami, and bumiyahe ulit kami ng 2 oras, and we have arrived here at our last hotel. This is Ramada by Wyndham Hotel. Ang ganda ng hotel, guys. It's still a 5-star hotel. Very spacious. Look at this. Oh. Meron silang dito, parang living room, and it's so very spacious, guys. And the entirety of our stay here sa China, guys, twin bed lahat yung naisistayhan namin na room. And look at the comfort room. Yan, very big also. This will be our last hotel to stay here in China before we'll be heading back to the Philippines. It's already our last day here in China, so pa-check out na kami karon sa Changsha Hotel, and we'll be heading back to the airport today. But prior to that, mag-breakfast na tayo. Ito yung breakfast buffet ng Ramada. Check it out, guys. Oh. So these are all Chinese cuisine. So dito yung mga foods. Ito yung una natin nakita. May mga yogurt, etc. They have wine. Mahaba na ito. Of course, ang coffee nila dito, guys, is espresso talaga. Look at their hotel restaurant, guys. Very spacious, very big. So, meron pa pala dito. Ito yung main food nila. Dining. At yung mga kauban, yes, they are now dining.
Isasama mo nga ako sa travel ninyo.
Soon, pohon. Ayan, ito pa yung food nila, guys. Asparagus. And guys, we are now checking out. Check out na kami, guys, sa aming hotel by Ramada Plaza. Bibiyahe na naman ulit tayo going to Changsha International Airport. That is about 45 minutes far from here sa ating hotel. Wow, ang lamig! So ayan, nasa Changsha International Airport na. Okay, we are now checking in. Going to our flight to Xiamen. Medyo strict yung airport talaga ng China, guys, when it comes to checking the baggage. Actually, di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas, okay na naman mag-check-in ng mga tubig. Dito pala, guys, pag mag-check-in kayo ng mga bottled water, chine-check pa din nila yung check-in baggage mo. So medyo strict sila. Then, strict sila in bringing yung parang lighter. So, bawal ko na lang magdala. Then sa hand carry, bawal din yung mga liquids guys. Even yung mga 100 ml below. So, pinapalagay siya sa check-in luggage. And with the check-in guys, we are now going to the boarding gates. No? So, it's time also to say goodbye to our guide. Sabi niyo si Oscar na sa unahan na pala siya. We are on our way to the security check now. Oh my God. Guys, tingnan niyo yung trolley nila. Ang high-tech, ang perfect, napaka-aesthetic. Good job, Changsha. Good job. Tingnan niyo yung cart ng trolley ng Changsha Hunan. Very aesthetic. Very pretty. Tsaka, I think, di ko lang siya maintindihan ha, pero parang may mga movies dito. Ayun, oh. So, while nagka-cart ka, pwede kang manood ng movie. Diyos ko. We are now boarding, going to Xiamen. Xiamen Ding. Landed in Xiamen. Wow, I love Xiamen Ding. Guys, after sa arrival kanina guys, pag by connecting flight kayo, you need to check in again. Hindi siya mag-check in, but kukuha ka lang ng boarding pass. Tapos may designated na counter yung Xiamen Air. Bye, China! See you again next year, China. I'll promise I'll be back.